we manufacture equipment aimed at providing cost-effective and productive solutions to a variety of industrial problems. The pump is capable of vacuuming and pumping the most difficult-to-handle materials and discharging over long horizontal and vertical runs. Fluidic engineering, along with state-of-the-art design features, permit adapting the mucking pump to several modes of operation, which means more flexibility and higher production in a variety of applications. With no moving parts and all-wear components manufactured from abrasion-resistant materials such as tungsten carbide, the mucking pump is virtually maintenance-free. The mucking pump is capable of operating in 3 different modes, using compressed air as the motive power and vacuuming through the pump, using pressurized water as the motive power and vacuuming through the pump, using compressed air as the motive power. The pump is used as a vacuum producer only, meaning that material is not passed through the pump but is separated out before entering the pump through the use of a vacuum tank. Let's take a look at how the mucking pump works using each of these methods. When material will be passed through the pump, the motive power, compressed air, or pressurized liquid, usually water, enters the pump and passes through a power pack nozzle. The nozzle is designed to efficiently convert the pressure energy of the power media into velocity energy. The power media emerges from the nozzle at a very high velocity, creating a suction or vacuum that causes surrounding material to be drawn into its jet flow stream. The power media and the material being pumped then enter the power pack mixer, where both are combined into a uniform mixture. The mixture enters the pump's discharge diffuser, where pressure energy is regained and provides the most efficient velocity to convey the material through long runs of discharge hose. Using the pump as a vacuum producer, compressed air enters the pump and passes through a power pack nozzle. The nozzle is designed to efficiently convert the pressurized energy of the compressed air into velocity energy, creating a high vacuum and airflow on the vacuum tank and suction hose. The material is then vacuumed into the cyclone vacuum tank and separated from the airstream. The vacuumed air is then mixed with the supply air and discharged. Vacuum power packs are beneficial in applications involving large or hard-to-handle materials. Now that we have reviewed the versatility of the mucking pump and how it works, first we take you to intercity contracting. Here, the mucking pump technology is being used as a vacuum system, recovering steel shot from an automatic blast machine. Mr. Kevin Bouthelette, president of Intercity Contracting, says that the HAZVAC has reduced my abrasive cost by allowing me to recover and reuse abrasive that normally would have ended up in the trash. The HAZVAC also allows me to clean up spilled abrasive from the conveyor faster and easier than was previously possible using brooms, buckets, and shovels. The mucking pump's unique hopper and patented sluicing valve allow materials to be conveyed by directly shoveling or discharging directly into the pump itself. Vacuuming dry materials is no problem for the mucking pump. Our dust arrestor attachment significantly suppresses dust at the point of discharge. The mucking pump can also be used as a high-production vacuum pump, allowing material to be collected and automatically discharged using one of our vacuum tanks. This simple, inexpensive vacuum setup allows Intercity Contracting to load abrasive into the system via the vacuum at a rate of 10 tons an hour and use the system to clean the abrasive spillage from the conveyor entrance and discharge, as well as spillage from the floor. This significant reduction in abrasive consumption eliminates the use of shovels in loading. At the Newburyport Water Treatment Facility in Newburyport, Massachusetts, the mucking pump is exceeding expectations.
So by using the mucking pump in conjunction with the valves that are in the aeration tank, we're able to turn a 24-hour process into an 8 or 12-hour process. Anytime you can purchase a piece of equipment that not only is a reliable piece of equipment but reduces your labor hours, that's the piece of equipment you want to keep. And that's the type of equipment that the mucking pump is.
The pump is seen vacuuming sludge from one digester and discharging into another. Quebec Industrial Titanium in Tracy, Quebec has several mucking pumps in operation throughout their processing plant. The pumps have replaced labor-intensive shoveling as well as expensive industrial vacuum systems that require constant maintenance.
And when your setup is done right, there's no dust going around. Everything you pick up goes into a dust collector or in a scrubber or wherever you want to put it. So it's kind of healthy. And I can also say that the environmental air, it's a lot cleaner. It keeps the dust. You can clean up the pipe, ducts, machine, anything, as long as there's no moving part. You don't have to stop the machine to do your cleaning. So that's quite handy for us.
Frans van Krutken, president of Nickelverken Holland BV, has this to say about the mucking pump. It has allowed our company to remove mud and scale productively and economically, resulting in reduced cost for our customers and higher profits for our company. Our customers are using the mucking pump for a wide variety of applications in industries worldwide.